Hi, second graders. Here's our drill sounds for Unit 8. We are starting with R-controlled vowels. So let's remember when R is a consonant, it says R, rat, When we have R-controlled vowels, it is AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. And I'd also like to just review a couple of our trick words that we've been working on. So we're going to look at our trick words from our last unit. So read them with me, please. 8, large, change, city, every, family, night, carry, something. Great job on your drill sounds. Review the lesson in our next part of the slide from yesterday, how to mark our controlled vowels, and then complete your seesaw activity. Have a great afternoon.